We warm welcome to Ideal and Adarsh Vidyalaya online class. Second standard General Knowledge. Dear students, previous class we learned national symbols of India. Shall I ask some questions from national symbols of India? Are you ready to answer? Okay. Which is our national bird? Yes, our national bird is peacock. Okay, next question. Which is our national emblem? Yes, your answer is correct. Our national emblem is lion, capital of Ashoka. Dear students, today we are going to learn inventions and inventors. First we see what is meant by invention. An invention means a thing that has been made or designed by somebody for the first time. For example, computer is an invention. Look at this picture. These are some examples of inventions. Next we see what is an inventor. Inventor means a person who invented a particular device. For example, computer is an invention of someone. That particular person is called an inventor of computer. Okay, dear students, now you understood what is meant by invention and inventor. Let's see inventors and their invention. Dear students, what do you see in this picture? Yes, this is an electric fan. Electric fan is a device used to cool down the air. It helps to reach the necessary cooling effect. Electric fan was invented by S.S. Wheeler in the year of 1887. Dear students, who invented electric fan? Yes, electric fan was invented by S.S. Wheeler. What is this? Yes, this is an aeroplane. Aeroplane is an amazing invention. It is one of the mode of transport. It flies in the sky. Have you ever traveled in aeroplane? Okay. Aeroplane was invented by Wright brothers. Who invented aeroplane? Wright brothers invented aeroplane. Next, telephone. Telephone is the wonderful invention. It is used to communicate with friends and families. It is also the most fantastic invention of science. Each telephone has a number. Once connection is made and we can talk to the person. Telephone was invented by Alexander Graham Bell. Who invented telephone? Yes, Graham Bell invented telephone. Radio. Radio is a popular mass medium in almost all countries of the world. In India, radio broadcast is done through All India Radio Services. Radio was invented by Marconi. Who invented radio? Radio was invented by Marconi. What is this? This is an electric bulb. Can you see any object when there is no light at night? You can't see any object when there is no light at night. Sun gives us light in the morning. Electric bulb gives light at night with the help of electricity. Electric bulb was invented by Thomas Edison. Who invented electric bulb? Thomas Edison invented electric. What is this? Yes, this is a paper. Paper is used for writing. Paper was invented by Kei-Lun. Who invented paper? Kei-Lun invented paper. Next one, air conditioner. That is also called AC. It controls the room temperature. It gives cooling effect. It is used to building and vehicles. Air conditioner was invented by Willis Carrier. Who invented air conditioner? Air conditioner was invented by Willis Carrier. Next one, washing machine. Washing machine is used to wash our clothes. Washing machine was invented by Alva J. Fisher. Who invented washing machine? Alva J. Fisher invented washing machine. Next, what do you see in this picture? Yes, this is an eraser. Erasers are made up of rubber material. It is used to erase the words written with a pencil. Eraser was invented by Edward Niney. Who invented eraser? Edward Niney invented eraser. Next, what do you see in this picture? Yes, this is a computer. Computer is a modern machine. We can do a lot of work in computer. We run the computer with keyboard and mouse. Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Charles Babbage is the father of computer. Who invented computer? Computer was invented by Charles Babbage. Dear students, once again I repeat the inventions and inventors. Listen carefully. Electric fan, S.S. Wheeler. Electric fan, S.S. Wheeler. Aeroplane, Wright brothers. I repeat, aeroplane, Wright brothers. Telephone, Graham Bell. I repeat, telephone, Graham Bell. Radio, Marconi. Radio, Marconi. Electric bulb, Thomas Edison. Say with me, electric bulb, Thomas Edison. Paper, Kalun. Say with me, paper, Kalun. Next one, air conditioner, Willis Carrier. Say with me, air conditioner, Willis Carrier. Next one, washing machine, Alva J. Fisher. Say with me, washing machine, Alva J. Fisher. Eraser, Edward Niney. Say with me, eraser, Edward Niney. Last one, computer, Charles Babbage. Say with me, computer, Charles Babbage. Dear students, homework for you. Match the following invention and inventor. Thank you, my dears.